Good morning! I have a box of Incredibles 2 mystery minis from Funko. So there is 12 in this box. So I'm going to open these. They were wrapped in plastic. I've already taken the plastic off. I have not opened them yet. So these are the new Funko mystery minis for Incredibles 2. I have not seen the movie yet. I know it's been out for a couple weeks. I am going to see it. I plan on seeing it this weekend. I've just not been in the mood for a cartoon. I did see Jurassic World last week, and as much as I love dinosaurs, I did enjoy the movie, but it was a bit of a letdown. I don't really want to spoil it for anyone who hasn't seen it. But the ending was a bit of a disappointment, and if you check the internet, pretty much all reviews were disappointed with the ending. So anyway, we're not talking about Jurassic, we're talking about Incredibles. So it has, there are 12 characters in this series, and the last 3 are from the new movie. It's the Underminer, Screenslaver, and Void is the girl. I haven't seen the movie, so I don't know anything about these 3 characters, but everyone else is the typical. You got Mr. Incredible, his wife, Violet, Dash, Jack, baby Jack as a fireball, Edna, and his friend Frozone. So I am disappointed in this series right off the bat because they're all 1 out of 12. And you know me, I like a little more limited edition type where they're like 1 in 72, 1 in 6, 1 in 12, 1 in 36. But they're all the same. So you have the same odds for getting all of them. And if I'm lucky, I'm going to get 1 of each because there's 12 in the series, 12 in this box, 1 out of 12. Should work that way, but you never know how they pack it. So I don't know why they do that. I don't know why Funko can't just have rare ones, why they've been doing the 1 in 12 lately. It's just a little disappointing to me because I believe the fun of mysteries is when one is a little harder to get than another. So the first one is the Screenslaver, I think. Don't know anything about his character. Is he a bad guy? Is he a good guy? He looks like a bad guy. Got a little creepy mask going on, so we'll assume he's a bad guy. I was going to watch it opening weekend. I don't remember why I didn't. Something happened. I wish I would have. So this weekend I will definitely go see it. I do love baby Jack. He's my favorite character. Let's see. This plastic feels a little different. Usually that's good. Alright, we have Violet, Elastigirl. Not Elastigirl, that's her mom. What is Violet's superhero name? Does Violet have a superhero name? Okay, I'm looking at a screen. I guess she doesn't have a superhero name. She's just Violet. Okay, that's fine. I was thinking she had a superhero name. She can produce force fields and turn invisible. Alright. Let's see. And don't fall. Sometimes the Funkos are hard to balance. It's a flaw in their manufacturing. She's not staying up. Her feet aren't flat. I hate that when you take a Funko out of a box and it will not stand up. But see, I mean, as much as I love the toys, they're all made in China. And when you get something from China, half the time it's a piece of crap. So, let's see. This one's a bigger one. This is probably going to be the Underminer. Or the dad. Oh, I was right. It's the Underminer. Let's see. Is it focusing right? He's pretty cool. So, is he a mole? He's a mole, kind of. Will he stand up? He does stand up. Alright. I'm sorry if the bags is making annoying noises. These bags are different. It's instead of plastic, it's you know when you open a box of cereal, it reminds me of that plastic. Oh, and it's plastic. Okay. Here is Dash. He's cute. I have him running on something. So he stands. Alright. So if I get a duplicate, it means I will not have a complete set. But these bags are so weird. I'm used to it. I don't know. I'll quit going on about the bags. Ooh, baby Jack. Look at that. So So cute. That's my favorite character. So previews makes it look like he's in it a lot. I hope he is. That's the only reason I want to see the movie, is to see what Baby Jack Jack does. This is very peculiar. These bags are all made out of different material. It's very weird. Okay. Here is Baby Jack Jack as a fireball. Oh, this is definitely my favorite. I like it. I guess he can stand now, and he can stand in the cartoon, but not on my computer. It's another one where the feet are too small to hold up the big head. There we go. It stood up. Okay. Alright, next one is Elastigirl. There is 2 Elastigirls in this, 2 different costumes. So again, I have not seen the movie. I'm sure this costume has something to do with the new movie. So I can't wait to see it. And she stands. So far, Violet's the only one I cannot get to stand. Alright, and then the next one is Frozone. Is it Frozone or Frozone? Let me double check his name. It is, I'm saying it right, Frozone. I'm like Frozen? Frozone? Cool. Of course he's going to stand because he has an awesome base. Yes. I only saw The Incredibles once, so, and how long has it been? Like 10 years since that movie came out? I did enjoy it. I like the extra cartoon at the end. If you remember, like the babysitter is watching Jack Jack, and no one knows at that point that Jack Jack had any powers, and he made the babysitter's life miserable. That was the best cartoon clip ever. Alright, I just realized I totally just breezed past the dad. Yes, that was... So no duplicates yet, and I have 3 boxes left. And then here is the mother again. This is in the original costume from the first movie. Why is it not focusing? So, and she's not going to stand. Oh my god, I can tell right now. Okay, she did stand. I'm surprised. They just have little bitty feet for their big heads. There we go. 2 more boxes. And this one is Edna. Edna is one of my favorite characters. She's the lady who makes all their costumes. Final one. So if I get a complete set, who are we missing? We are missing the new character, the girl character, Void. And again, with the cereal box plastic. And it is, yes it is, I got a complete set. Awesome. So this is Void. I haven't seen the movie, but let me look online. I believe she is not a villain. I believe she is a friend of them. So Void has powers and the ability to create voids that allow objects to shift in space, disappear, and reappear. She is an Elastigirl fan. So I'm sure that will have something to do in the movie. I can't wait. So I got 1 of each, which they're 1 out of 12, so that's to be expected. They're still cute toys, and I suppose when you go to if you buy it from Walmart and you only, you get it from this box and you only get to pick 1, then you probably like those odds, 1 out of 12. But when you buy the whole case because you're hoping to get a rare one, like the 1 out of 72, when they do this whole 1 out of 12, it's a little disappointing. So, I like rare stuff. I like stuff that's hard to get. And 1 out of 12 is just the same odds for all of them. They're still cute toys. I am in love with Baby Jack Jack. Both forms of Baby Jack Jack. They're all standing up awesome, except for Violet. I don't know why. You see how her feet are off center? Let me see if I can get her to stand over here. Yeah, there she's standing. Sometimes they're just a little difficult to stand because they're all top heavy. And he won't stand now. Anyway, they're all so cute. Thanks for watching this toy unboxing. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.